Okay, so the next homework I'm doing is for numeration. So it says write a number, example 89, into base 2. So I would do 2 times 0. I wasn't sure if I could like have it already pre-written, so I just started off from scratch. Hopefully that's okay. 2 to the 0 power is 1, 2 to the first power is 2, 2 to the second power is 4, 2 to the third power is 8, 2 to the fourth power is going to be 16. 2 to the fifth power is going to be 32. The fifth power. 2 to the sixth power is going to be 64. And 2 to the seventh power is going to be, let's see, 64 times 2, 128. And then 2 to the eighth power, we do 128 times 2, 16, 256. So we'll stop there. So to make it into base 2, number 89, we're gonna start with, let's see, it can't go into the seventh power because it's too big. So we would start with the sixth power. So 2 to the sixth power is 64. So that can go into there once. We would do 89 minus 64, which would bring us to, let's see, 5 and 2, 25. So 25 cannot go into 32, so we would put 0. And then 25 can go into 16, so we would put 1. So 16 minus 25 minus 16 is going to be 9. 15. Yeah, so 9 can go into the 2 of the third power once. That would be 8, which would leave 1. 1 cannot go into the second power. It's too big. It cannot go into the first power. It's too big, but it can go into 2 and 0, so it's 1. So 89 would equal 1011001. And then to write that into the Roman system, the number 89 is what I'm guessing we needed to do. We would start with, so we would do 50. So that'd be the letter L. 50 is the letter L. And then we would do the letter X, because 10 to the first power equals X, which would equal 10. So we need 1, 2. We're only going to do 3 of those. 3 X's. So L, X, X, X. So it would be 50, 10, 20, 30. So that'd be 80. And then we would put the smallest number to the right of the bigger number. So it would be, we would want to put 10 to the first power, which would equal I. So I'd put I next, and then I would put the letter X right after that. So this is what it would look like. So that way it would subtract, that would equal 89 if we did it this way. So it's L, X, 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 I, X. Hopefully it's not like, because of the way I'm showing you, hopefully it's reading off right. So that's how I got the number 89 in Roman numerals. And then the next question says, what is this number that is written in base 2 and base 10? So we would start off, I already have this written out, so I'm going to erase that. So we have 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1. So that's what it shows. That we need to convert it into the tens base. So we would just add it. So let's see, 10. So 2 to the 0 power is 1. So we do 1 here. And then this one shows 2 to the first power. We're going to do that once, so plus 2. 2 to the second power is 0, so we're going to plus 0. 2 to the third power, we have a 1 there, so that's plus 8. And then 2 to the fourth power is 16, we have a 1 there, it's going to be there. And then 2 to the fifth power is 0, so we're going to plus 0. And 2 to the sixth power, we have a 1 there, so that's 64. So we're just going to add up all these numbers to get that, basically to get it into base 10. So we're going to do 1 plus 2, which equals 3. Well, I guess you can do it this way. It should be probably a little bit easier to start grouping them. So 8 plus 2 is 10. 16 plus 1 is 17. So those are done. So we do 64, 10, B, 11, 6, 91. So 91 would be our answer. So that is written into the tens place. I'm sorry, that's written into base 2, and then to get it into base 10 normal, from what it shows, like in parentheses, I just went ahead and wrote it out. Cannot speak, sorry. I wrote out the code that you gave us, which was 10111011, into the conversion we already had, and then I added all the numbers up to get 91. So yeah, thank you.